Hi, my name is Mike, and I'm going to be your guide in this reputation management video tutorial series. This first tutorial is going to cover the different types of internet attacks that you and I are prone to if we have our business or any profile online. In order to protect our online reputation, we must recognize and understand the different types of attacks that we are up against. In this tutorial, we will look at two major threats to our reputation, business, and ultimately our financial well-being. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to recognize those attacks most harmful to you and your business. Let's take a look at attack type number 1. The basic lie. The basic lie is the most common type of attack that we face online. At first glance, you might think this is a bit simple. You may even be wondering why we are even talking about it in this tutorial, but allow me to explain. Let's go to a very interesting website that illustrates our point exactly. Don'tDateHimGirl.com. This website claims to be a guide to help women avoid dating cheaters. There are currently over 50,000 reviews posted by women accusing their current or former significant other of being a cheat. Full names are used, and the list of accusations include 8,500 reviews claiming the cheater is married, 2,300 reviews accusing the man of having an STD. 300 of those reviews say the man has AIDS. Whether or not these reviews are true is beyond the scope of this tutorial. What we are concerned with is the overall impact of these reviews on those being accused and the obtuse lack of regulation on such detrimental online activities. To post a review or to call someone a cheat, there is no requirement to provide evidence, give reasons beyond intuition, or to even be the accused's significant other. This means that any person could sit down and in 5 minutes destroy the reputation of another individual without providing any instance of fact. Imagine the impact that reviews like this could have on a person who makes their living working to counsel married individuals. What if a disgruntled client of this marriage and family therapist decided that they were going to take out their frustrations on this website? Not only would the after effects of such an event include financial loss, but this therapist would probably lose their license to practice, probably lose the faith and trust of their loved ones, and ultimately be ruined in every sense of the word. The basic lie is a very real threat to our online reputation. Now let's examine another type of internet attack that is commonly used by online users in our next video.